3 ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser. Respondus Lockdown Browser Cheating 2026. Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to explain 3 ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser. And is it safe to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser? Students always search for the best ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser. And in this video, we are going to cover both technical ways to bypass Lockdown Browser and some conventional ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser in 2026. We are not just going to talk about it, we are going to show you a step-by-step video proof of the Lockdown Browser being bypassed in 2026. Technical method to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser. Technical method, as its name refers, involve technical expertise to bypass Lockdown Browser. In this method, custom remote connection servers are installed in students' laptop to bypass Respondus Lockdown Browser. And these custom servers remain totally undetectable by Respondus Lockdown Browser. This method is the most advanced method till 2026. If you need help with any kind of Lockdown Browser exam, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Conventional ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser. There are many conventional ways to cheat in an exam, like making tiny notes, using your mobile phone, or using a virtual machine. But advanced security measures of Respondus Lockdown Browser make it very risky to cheat using these conventional ways, as eyes movement away from the screen can flag the exam. So, we will not recommend these methods. WhatsApp Pictures Method. In this method, student takes pictures of the questions from a side angle and send it to the expert tutor for perfect result. This method is risky and should only be done after proper practice, because if you get caught, the result will be termination. Conclusion: which method is best to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser in 2026? As we discussed, there are various ways to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser, but best method is considered one which is safe and secure, and that is technical expert method. The plus point of this method is technical expert manages from doing setup to take exams, and student don't have to worry about anything. Technical method is 100% safe, and best thing about this service is you don't have to make any upfront payment. So if you have any exam coming up and you want any technical expertise, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Thanks for watching this video.